Hello friends, this is the seventh lecture of our lecture series. In this lecture, we are discussed about the difference between DBMS and file system. Okay, in previous lecture, we have discussed about the difference between DBMS and DBMS. Now we are discussing the difference between DBMS and file system. So let's begin. So what is DBMS? As we know, DBMS is a collection of data. In DBMS, the user is not required to write the procedure, right? ओके कोई रिक्वायर नहीं होता प्रोसीजर लिखने के लिए, जैसा हमें नॉर्मल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में प्रोसीजर पूरा लिखना पड़ता है, वो हमें जरूरत नहीं होती है डेटाबेस में. File system is a collection of data. In the file system, the user has to write the procedure for managing the database. Just like C, C++, you have to write all the procedure to manage your data or to create your database. Okay. Sharing of data. Due to the centralized approach, data sharing is easy, as we already discussed, just like Google Drive or any other software like MySQL or PostgreSQL. You don't need to uh, do procedure to share the data. If you centralize your database, you can easily share this database. Okay. In file system, data is distributed in many files and it may be different formats, so it's not easy to share data. As we know, database has a quality or has a characteristic to store large amount of data, but in file system you can't store large amount of data. You just separate all the files in at the one location, so there is a difficulties to share all the files to the uh, another user. Okay, a file may be in different format, right? Data abstraction. DBMS gives an abstract view of data that hides the details. Okay, the file system provides the detail of the data representation and storage of data. Security and protection. DBMS provide a good protection mechanism. In file system, isn't easy to protect a file under the file system. Recovery mechanism. DBMS provide a crash recovery mechanism, that is, DBMS protect the user from the system failure. But in file system doesn't have a crash mechanism, that is, if the file crashes while entering some data, then the content of the file will be lost. Okay. Next, manipulation technique. DBMS contain a wide variety of sophisticated technique to store and retrieve the data. Okay, but file system can't efficiently store and retrieve the data. Concurrency problem. DBMS take care of concurrent access of data using some form of locking. In file system, concurrency access has many problems like redirecting the file while deleting some information or updating some information. Concurrency means just like transaction. Okay, if you do फर्स्ट टाइम, मतलब आप ट्रांजेक्शन करते हो तो क्या होता है कि आप ट्रांजेक्शन करते हो, है ना, या आप ट्रांजेक्शन की छोड़ो, हम बात करते हैं एक नॉर्मल चैट की. हम क्या करते हैं कि चैट हेलो भेजा, ठीक है, उसके बाद हम फ्रिक्वेंटली कुछ ना कुछ भेजते रहते हैं, या हम ये कह सकते हैं हमारा कंप्यूटर सिस्टम है, हम वर्ड पे भी टाइप कर रहे हैं, हम म्यूजिक भी सुन रहे हैं, तो पैरेलली क्या हो रहा है, हमारा काम चल रहा है, एक डेटा दूसरे डेटा को अफेक्ट नहीं कर रहा. दिस इज अ कॉन्करेंसी. तो डीबीएमएस हमें प्रोवाइड करता है कॉन्करेंसी एक्सेस, बट फाइल सिस्टम में डिफिकल्ट होता है. ओके, वेयर टू यूज. DBMS approach used in large system, but file system approach used in large system which interrelated many file. Okay, cause the database system is expensive to design, file system is cheaper to design. Due to the centralized of the data, the problem of data redundancy and inconsistency are controlled, but in file system, or we can say the file and application program are created by different programmer, so that there exists a lot of duplicacy of the data which may lead to inconsistency. Next, structure. The database structure is complex to design. File system approach has a simple structure. Data independence. Data independence exists. It can be two-phase logical data independence or physical data independence. But in file system, there is no data independence. Integrity constant, integrity constant are easy to apply, but in file system it is difficult. Data model. In the database approach, three type of data models exist: hierarchical, network, relation. But in file system, there is no concept of data model. Flexibility. Changes are often a necessity to the content of the data stored in any system, and these changes are more easy with a database approach. But in file system, the flexibility of system is less as compared to the database. जैसे हमने बोला था सेंट्रलाइज डेटाबेस है, तो अगर हमें किसी फाइल में चेंज करना है तो डेटाबेस में हम चेंज करेंगे, वो सारे के सारे यूजर पर इफेक्ट होगा. बट फाइल सिस्टम में क्या है, क्योंकि शेयरिंग इजी नहीं है, सेंट्रलाइजेशन इजी नहीं है ज़्यादा, तो क्या होता है कि अगर हमें एक जगह चेंज करना है तो हमें सारी जगह भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डीबीएमएस इज ओरेकल, SQL, Sybase. Of or example of file system is COBOL, C++. Okay, that's about this lecture. Thank you.